The Lord is my refuge and shield. His word is my source of hope. I've got kind of wild pain going on throughout my body. Nerves are signaling pain in different places due to cancer and how the chemo is reacting. The physical component that can start to mess with the mental component and emotions. In Psalms, King David wrote around 3,000 years ago, in every emotion, he went through every type of suffering. He said, my bones feel their decaying. Every person has forgotten about me. In those, we see God's word is our source of hope. Jesus studied and memorized many of these Psalms 1,000 years after King David wrote them, in direct lineage from King David. If we believe and follow God's word and live it out to our best, although imperfectly, we can experience that benefit like nothing else, no matter how much it hurts. Thank you. Love you guys. Have a best day ever.